What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best camping stoves in 2022. There's a lot of choice for camping stoves. Whether you're shopping for a tailgating stove, or a camping stove that can cook for the whole family, a solid camp stove is one of the most important pieces of gear to invest in. I've rounded up a list of the best camping stoves, and we'll walk you through options that will fit your budget and plans for adventure. A camping stove is different from a backpacking stove, in that it gives you a lot more space, freedom, and power to cook for larger groups, and make more intricate meals. The trade-off, of course, is the additional size and weight. Between my Coleman Temp 3 and Primus Kukoma, I barely see a difference between the meals I make on a camping trip and what I cook in my kitchen. So, if you're looking to upgrade your camp cooking, you've come to the right place. After a long day of hiking, we arrived back at our campsite happily tired, a little cold from the year's first snow, and very hungry. In the time it took me to set up our tent, she was already well into cooking a 5-star pad thai on my Coleman propane stove, with 3 burners to saute, cook noodles, and boil vegetables. She cut no corners at all. The smell of simmering pad thai with the sun setting over Colorado's Sawatch Range made that meal, shared with my best childhood friend, one I'll never forget. And this is the magic of a camp stove. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Coleman Gas Camping Stove. Having two 10,000 BTUs burners, the Coleman Gas Camping Stove's propane tank is efficiently used to provide you with a good cooking experience whilst fitting in two 10-inch pans at the same time. And while it may not spread the heat completely evenly, with the hot spot being at the center of the pan, like most other camp stoves, you can use it to make scrambled eggs to pancakes with ease. As for its capability to cook in windy weathers, you'll be happy to know that the Coleman Stove Classic propane burner comes with 2 side panels, which will make sure you have the cooking power to cook in almost the same time as without wind. This is seen clearly in the outdoor cooking adjustable wind test done by some reviewers, where they tested the Coleman Gas Camping Stove with a box fan a few inches away from it, only to find that the Coleman Gas Camping Stove manages to boil water in just 75 seconds, more than it would need without wind. Specification and features: cooking power, up to 20,000 total BTUs. Fits, 12-inch and 10-inch pan. Runtime, up to 1 hour. Material, aluminium steel. Size, 4.1 by 21.9 by 13.7 inches. Color, green. Item weight, 11.65 pounds. Dimensions, 4 by 21.9 by 13.7 inches. Reasons to buy: side panels block the wind pretty well. Fuel is used efficiently. Affordable price tag. Reasons to avoid: control valves aren't very accurate. Number 2. Eureka Ignite Portable Camping Stove. Compact and powerful, the Eureka Ignite 2-burner camping stove, in green, is perfect for small groups and allows you to cook with more control. A pair of 10,000 BTUs burners include 2 turn simmer controls that deliver precise flame adjustments, from light simmer to full output for up to 90 minutes, burn time per canister at maximum flame. A push-button igniter allows for fast, easy starts, while the stove fits 2 10-inch pans to create your campsite meals. A stainless steel drip tray offers rust-free performance and easy cleanup. With rugged, thick-gauge steel construction, this portable stove is designed for years of use camp cooking in the great outdoors, and is an essential piece of equipment for a survival kit in case of emergency. A dependable latch keeps the lid secure during transport, and an opening in the bottom of the stove functions as a handle for convenient carrying. The stove measures 18.5 inches length x 12.8 inches width by 4 inches height, closed, 20 inches length x 13.5 inches width by 14 inches height, open, and weighs 10 pounds, includes camp stove and stainless steel drip tray, propane canister sold separately. Specifications and features: weight, 10 pounds, 4.6 kilograms, fuel type, propane. Ignition type, push button. Power per burner, 10,000 BTU/H. Length, 18.5, 47 centimeters. Width, 12.8 inches, 32.5 centimeters. Height, 4 inches, 11 centimeters. Minimum weight, 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms. Burners, 2. Reasons to buy. Igniter, simmer control, and 10,000 BTUs burner are great. It's more compact than other similar stoves, good for packing. Reasons to avoid. Hard gas line requires extra table space. It's more compact than other similar stoves, we can't fit our big pan on with most other things. Number 3. Camp Chef Everest 2 burner stove. 2 high pressure 20,000 BTUs burners pump out all the heat you'll need to handle your cooking needs and feed your family. A matchless ignition system fires up the Everest quickly and easily. The nickel-coated steel cooking grate is strong and built to hold your pots, griddles, and skillets. Locking lid and handle allow the Mountain series to transport easily. Lightweight and compact means you can take it with you on all of your adventures. Piezo igniter sparks the stove to life with a push of the button, eliminating worries about wet matches and burning your hand. Camping, outdoor cooking, packing and more. High output burner, new dual latch system. I have used this stove on several occasions, including a cross-country trip with my pop-up to the Grand Canyon. It has never let me down. It lights easily and instantly, with the push-button ignition, and there is enough room and power to use a cast iron pan on one burner and still be heating a pot of water on the other. Specifications and features. Dimensions: 13.5-inch length by 23.5-inch width by 4-inch height. Total output, 40,000 BTUs per hour, convenient carry handle. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 12 pounds. Reasons to buy. Stainless steel drip tray for easy cleanup. Super easy to set up. Lights instantly. High BTUs. Reasons to avoid. Heavy, car camping only. Number 4. Coleman Triton Instant. A rotating dial lets you control burners for precise temperature control. It facilitates a more complete fuel combustion process, delivering more effective cooking heat to your food, with less fuel. Matchless ignition technology uses an electric spark to light burners with the push of a button, so there's no need to pack matches or a lighter. Pressure control technology keeps the heat steady for consistent performance, even in cold weather, high altitudes, or when fuel is low. Side panels shield burners from wind, can be adjusted to fit larger pans, and fold down for use as side tables on calmer days. It securely latches lid closed for safe and easy transport. Chrome-plated grate is removable for easy cleanup. Aluminized steel cooktop is rust resistant. Improved knob rotation for the ultimate simmer control. 2 wind guards to help shield and protect burners from wind. Built-in handle makes it easy to bring to the campsite and more. Heavy-duty latch keeps the stove closed when not in use. Specifications and features. Package dimensions: 23 by 13.75 by 5.6 inches. Package weight: 4.9 kilograms. Color: steel. Material: alloy steel. Weight: 10 pounds. Warranty: 3-year limited warranty. Reasons to buy. Inexpensive. Adjustable windscreens Coleman Triton Series stove. Lightweight. Optional griddle accessory. Reasons to avoid. Lower BTUs than top-rated stoves. Average sized cooking area. Burner controls less sensitive than other models. Number 5. Coleman Fold Go 2. Portable 2-burner propane stove ideal for cooking at campsites, picnics, and more. Fits 2 pans, up to 10 inches each, and produces 20,000 total BTUs of cooking power. Pressure control technology delivers consistent heat in outdoor conditions. Runs over an hour with both burners, on high on a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder, sold separately. Matchless Insta-Start ignition light stove, with the push of a button. Cook breakfast, lunch and dinner on a stove that folds up smaller than a briefcase. With the lightweight Fold & Go propane stove, the full-size cooking surface easily fits 2 10-inch pans, so you can prepare different dishes at the same time. You don't even need a match to light this compact campsite kitchen. Folding design for compact storage and transportation. Fits two 10-inch pans at the same time. Two independently adjustable burners give you precise control for two temperature zones. Built-in handles for easier carrying and extra portability. Specifications and features. Package dimensions: 14.57 by 13.3 by 6.54 inches. Package weight: 4.05 kilograms. Weight: 5 pounds. Color: red. Material: alloy steel. Reasons to buy: adjustable burner gives the precise temperature control for even cooking. Removable dishwasher safe cooking surface, and grease tray for easy cleaning. Large capacity surface allows to cook food in bulk. Reasons to avoid: handle size may vary. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.